Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by preparing the watch and phone. Plug the charger in and bring battery above 50% to avoid interruptions. Open Huawei Health and ensure Bluetooth and location services are on so the app can find the device. Once the watch is connected in the app, tap the device tile to access settings. Make sure the watch shows as connected and responsive. This prevents mid-update failures and speeds discovery. Now you're ready to check for available firmware updates in the device menu. You'll now fetch and install the firmware. In the device settings, tap Firmware Update and let the app check Huawei's servers. Once it finds an update, choose Download. Make sure you use stable Wi-Fi or a reliable data connection. Interruptions can corrupt the package. Once download completes, hit Install and keep your phone and watch within a few feet. The app will transfer and apply the update. During this phase, do not force close the Health app or power off either device to ensure a clean installation. After installation, you'll see the watch reboot and show the new firmware version in About. The Health app should also report the updated build. If the update fails, first reboot both watch and phone, reopen Health and retry the download. Many failures clear this way. If problems persist, clear the Health app cache or reinstall the app, reconnect the watch, and then attempt the update again. This sequence resolves most issues. If nothing works, contact Huawei support for guided recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.